1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is with respect to wave number formula. Okay. This formula with respect to wave number. Similarly, delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula with respect to energy. Okay. Delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is with respect to energy formula. Okay, na? So these two formulas you have to remember. What is R? R means Rydberg constant. So its units are meter inverse or centimeter inverse. Okay, na? Meter inverse or centimeter inverse. 1096677 in centimeter inverse. 1.0967 into 10 power 7 meter inverse. Okay. What is N1 value? N1 value means energy of lower orbit. N2 means energy of higher orbit. Say for example, electron is jumping from fourth orbit to second orbit. So N1 value we have to take as 2, N2 value we have to take as 4, like that. Limiting line means what we have to take in Balmer series. I told in hydrogen spectrum. Limiting line means infinity we have to take. Okay? Limiting line means what is that we have to take? Infinity. Limiting line means infinity we have to take. Once you read a Balmer series, that is Balmer means line spectrum of hydrogen. Once you read, you can understand easily. Okay. Open page number 70. Open page number 70.
Sir, JE material, sir.
What I told Wednesday, Saturday and Friday, objective discussion.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Page number 70, question number 40. Line spectrum of two elements are not identical because in the shell is all elements have same number of electrons in the outermost orbit? No. So that's why line spectrum of two elements are not identical because their outermost electrons are different
Sir,
in energy
video and audio is
levels.
breaking, sir.
Your audio and video is breaking,
Yes.
sir.
1 minute.
Sir, I thought to told you first only, sir, but I thought it is my problem only.
Now,
Clear, sir.
now is it clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Impana now okay.
Sir, your video and audio are not syncing, sir. When you speak something, it will come something, sir.
What about remaining students?
Yes, sir. Same problem.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is lagging.
Clear. You please rejoin again.
Sir, now it's sinking, sir.
Now it is sinking.
Yes, sir.
Second one, 40th question, third option. Second one, among the first line of Lyman, Balmer, Paschen and Brackett series in hydrogen spectrum, which has the highest energy? First line of Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett. See, do one thing. Delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by, for Lyman series, what is the N1 value? Lyman series, what is the N1 value?
1.
1.
Fixed value, N1 is 1, fixed value, 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. First line means next line we have to take. Calculate energy, how much you will get reset. Similarly, 13.6 into 1 by Balmer series, what is the N1 value? 2.
2.
1 by 3 square. So you will calculate body. Next, Paschen series.
3.
3.
3 into 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. Okay. Next, bracket series 13.6 into 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 5 square. Now, where you will get high energy, you please say. I think that this is you will get a high energy. Okay, na? Why? Because here you will get lowest value.
Yes, sir.
Here you
Higher.
will get highest.
Only, sir.
So the first option is the correct. This is the explanation, actual explanation. How can we say energy of orbit is higher for different shells? We have to do like this. Okay, na? But 41st question, first one is the answer. Next, question number 42. I given one formula. By seeing your notes, can you say what is the formula? Number of spectral lines produced when electron jumps from n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. Can you say? N is equal to 6 to ground state, he is telling. Sigma n2 minus n1 formula is there. Line spectrum of hydrogen, Bohr's atomic model ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. N into n minus 1 by 2.
ಅದೇನು ಹೈಯರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ n2 minus n1.
N1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sigma n2 minus n1 means that is the thing, you have to remember the formulas.
Sir, here they have given ground state, no, sir.
Ground state means this is the formula, that is from any higher orbit to other orbit. This is for ground state. Sigma, what is the n2 higher orbit value question?
6.
6, sir.
6.
What is the maximum number of N is equal to 6. V is only given. What is N1? 1. Ground state means 1. 6 minus 1?
5.
5.
That is sigma 5. Sigma 5 means what is the value? Sigma 5. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Sigma 500.
15.
15.
15.
15.
15 lines produced. One minute. Okay, na? Next question. When greater number of excited hydrogen atom reach to the ground state, what we will get? Any higher energy level to ground state, what we will get? I think you are not prepared well. Any higher energy to ground state, you will get Lyman series. Any higher energy level to second state, you will get Balmer series. Any higher energy level to third state, you will get bracket series. These I told you already. I think you are not prepared well. Answer 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then how you will write examination Sunday? Huh? This is for subjective and objective examination. Without preparation, how you are writing? Prepare well. Without preparation, you won't get anything. It is not a groups languages. Languages means once you can listen and write. But chemistry, physics are not languages. Compulsory how to do workout. Or at least you have to remember. Next, question number 44. If the electron in a hydrogen atom drops from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 4 level, the radiation emitted n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 4 means what?
Bracket series.
Huh?
Bracket series.
Bracket series.
Bracket series.
Bracket series. 4 means bracket series. Enamo odilla? Did not read. Read once, okay? N is equal to 6 to n is equal to 4 means 4 means which line? Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, fund. 5th means fund, 4 means bracket series. Okay, na? Next, question number 45. In a hydrogen atomic spectrum, a series limits is found at 1 to 186.3 centimeter inverse. Then it belongs to. What is there given? Wave number is given. U bar is equal to, what is the value given? 1 to 186.3. Centimeter inverse. He is asking, it belongs to. So formula U bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So 12186.3 is equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by infinity square. So ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is 0. 1 by infinity square means 0. ಇದು 1 by n1 square, it is like as it is. Calculate this n1 value, you will get the answer. Suppose if n1 value you will get 1, it belongs to Lyman series. n1 value if you get 2, that is Balmer series. n1 value you will get 3, Paschen series. Like that we will get. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Compulsory you have to read. Without reading you want to get. Calculate n value, you will get the answer. Okay na? Next question number 46. What is the wave number of fourth line of Balmer series? Balmer series means n1 is equal to 2. It is fixed. n1 is equal to 2. What about n2? n2 is equal to what line he is telling?
Line.
Fourth line.
Fourth line means directly you should not write 4. Fourth line means it is C. Okay na? Third, first, second, third, fourth. ಇದು 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು. 4, 5, 6. So first line means 3, second line means 4, third line means 5, fourth line means 6. So n2 is equal to 6 we have to take. Fourth line means in diagram we have a line spectrum of hydrogen diagram. So there you can observe easily. Okay na? So fourth line means 6 we have to take. Then as usual formula. What is that formula? Wave number nu bar is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 6 square. How much more? Nu bar is equal to 109677. 6 square means how much? 36. 2 square means 4.
4.
LCM 36. 5 by 36 4 9 times ಇದು square 8 by 36 LCM.
Yes, sir. ಏನಮ್ಮ 8 by 36 ಏನ ನೋಡಿ LCM 5 by 36.
Yes, sir. 8 by 36 only, sir.
Okay, simplify this one. So see, maximum we are using this formula, so that's why this formula is
Sir.
very important.
247 2372, sir.
372.
2437 ಅಂದ್ರೆ fourth option ah.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 47. Now is it clear? Visibility?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 47. I will solve. Please observe carefully. Wavelength we have to calculate. Wavelength of emission line obtained for Li plus 2 during electronic transition from N2 is equal to 2 to N1 is equal to 1. N2 is equal to 2 to N1 is equal to 1. For Li2 plus formula U bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square into Z square. This is for hydrogen lines. This is formula. Clear? What is the N1 value given? N1 value how much given?
1.
1.
One.
N2 value 2. So 1 square minus 1 by 2 square into 3 square I will write. Why? Because Li plus 2. Lithium atomic number 3 na? Lithium
sir.
atomic number 3 ma. So that's why I did 3 square. And then 9 out of U bar is equal to R into. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ LCM? 3 by 4.
Yes, sir. 3 by 4.
3 by 4 into 9. And then nu bar is equal to R into 27 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lambda is equal to 4 by
4 by
27.
27 hour.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ nu bar lambda inversely proportional, so that's why this value will become reverse. Wavelength is asked na, so that's why 4 by 27 are. Idiya answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fourth option.
Doubt? Next. Question number 48. The wavelength of the radiation emitted when in a hydrogen atom electron falls from infinity state to 1 would be infinity state to 1. Infinity state to 1 means what we have to take? Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity square. 1 by lambda is equal to, what is R given? 109 meters.
1.097.
097 into 10 power 7 into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity square. Then change here barala. 1 by lambda is equal to this value. Lambda is equal to extra 1 by this value. That means 1 by 1.097 into 10 power 7. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 1.097 ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ?
0.911.
Clear? 10 power 7 minus 7 ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, my seat ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
fourth option,
scientific notation ಬಂದ್ರೆ 9.11 into 10 minus 6.
91.1 nanometers ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ nanometer is equal to how many meters? 10 power minus 9 meters alva. 1 nanometer is equal to, so that's why you will get what is the answer? 91 nanometers.
91 nm.
91 nanometers. Right? Yes, completed. Now, question number 49. What is the lowest energy of the spectral line emitted by the hydrogen atom in the Lyman series? What is the lowest energy of the spectral line emitted by the hydrogen atom in the Lyman series? H is equal to Planck's constant, C is equal to velocity, RH is equal to Rydberg constant. Delta E is equal to H alpha. E is equal to Hc by lambda. Delta E is equal to Hc into R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Formula. Which line he given, ma?
Lyman series, sir.
Lyman series means N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to
1, 2.
sorry, N2 is equal to 2 you take. Remaining values are as it is. Hc R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. Hc R into
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Hc R
Sir, R.
Hc R into 3 by 4. Is the option? 3 Hc R by 4.
Third option.
Third option.
Third option. Next. Question number 50. Wave number of H alpha line in Balmer series. Here say what is the wave number for H alpha line? H alpha line means what we have to take in Balmer series. Notes are there, notes are there. H alpha line under 3, H beta line under 4, H gamma line under
H alpha 2 also.
Lyman series I asked.
Balmer series.
Balmer series N1 is equal to 2 fixed. N2 is equal to I am telling you. Alpha line.
Notes you have given Balmer series 2 is equals to 2 for H alpha.
Huh?
H alpha you have given 2 equals to 2 in Balmer series for notes.
Sir, you have given N2 is equal to 2 for H alpha.
Yes, sir.
For Lyman series, alpha is equal to 2 of Balmer series, if it is like that, please change. N2 is equal to 3. Beta 4.
Sir, then for H beta, what's the value?
Listen, if it is any mistake is there, please rectify. With respect to Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2 fixed. I am telling N2 value. If alpha is given 3, we have to take, beta is given 4, we have to take, gamma is given 5, we have to take, delta is given 6, we have to take. Please change that. For Lyman series, N1 is equal to 1 fixed. N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, sir.
No. Sometimes mistake will happen. So, but this is the correct condition. Nu bar is equal to R into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square alpha. Alpha line alpha. Students.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
R is equal to R into LCM estimate.
5 by 36, sir.
5 by 36. Okay, 5R by 36. Nu bar is equal to 5R by 36. Is the answer?
First option.
Yes, sir. First option.
Yes, sir. First option.
Next. Which of the following lines will have a wave number equal to the value of Rydberg constants. Wave number is equal to the value of Rydberg constant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ wave number Rydberg constant same ಇರಬೇಕು.
Sir, limiting line of Lyman series.
Limiting line of Balmer series means what you will get? You
Sir,
want
1 by 4
value. 109677 into 1 by 4 you will get.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ different value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 109677 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ same value you will get na.
Yes,
So that's limiting line of Lyman series is the answer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ R value, wave number value, both will be same for limiting line of Lyman series. If you want an explanation, you please do separately all the options. Okay na? Limiting line means Balmer series n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to infinity. Next Lyman series means n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to infinity. Next first line of Lyman series means n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2. Next first line of Balmer series means n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3. You have to take. So you will get all these different values except in second case. So that's why that is equal to limiting line of Lyman series. Okay na? Next 52 more. If RH is the Rydberg constant, then the energy of electron in the ground state of hydrogen is given a formula. Delta E is equal to Hc into R. ಯಾದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? What is the correct option? Fourth option,
sir. Fourth option, sir. RH HC.
Delta E is equal to RH HC or HC into R. Both are same only. R means Rydberg constant.
Yes.
That's all. So these are the.
Sir, why it's denoted by RH, sir? Rydberg constant.
RH means not Rydberg constant. RH means hydrogen atom there. Okay na? With respect to hydrogen. RH means with respect to hydrogen. Next, Bohr's theory. What is the first question? The kinetic energy of an electron in the second Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. A0 is the Bohr's radius. Okay na? This is a somewhat logical question and a difficulty question only. Difficulty means much knowledge we have to apply. First, kinetic energy formula. KE is equal to half mv squared. First equation. Do you know this formula? KE is equal to half mv squared.
Yes, sir. In 9th standard we had, sir.
Okay. Next, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. This is angular momentum of electron from Bohr's equation, Bohr's postulates. Idanu ide nodi, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Both sides. Squaring on both sides means mv squared is equal to n squared h squared by 2 squared pi squared r squared. We can write now this r I have splitted here to simplify the value. Okay na? Next, b squared is equal to mb squared is equal to 1 by mb into n squared h squared by 2 squared pi square r square. This is second equation. Substitute second equation in first equation. Ready? Put second in first one. Ke is equal to okay half mv square andre ಏನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ
Yes.
1 by m 1 by Here, what is the n value? Which radius is given?
A naught.
Second.
Hmm? Second
A naught. Yes, sir.
second orbit. N
Second
is
orbit.
quick number. And then 2 square I will write. N is equal to 2 mark. Okay? Na? Into h square as it is. Okay? Na? Next. 2 square as it is. 5 square as it is. R means R formula R is equal to 0.53 into n square actual formula according to Bohr's orbit. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 0.53 is given a naught into 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ a naught into 2 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ simplify this one n is equal to 2 r is equal to the 4 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 4 alpha naught ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ here I am writing that is a naught into n square formula r is equal to a naught into 2 square r is equal to 4 a naught okay na? In this please substitute instead of r this value 4 a naught square simplify that second option ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ
Yes, sir.
hmm
Yes, sir. ಬಂತು.
second option
Yes, sir.
simplify ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 16 into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 32 ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
2 square cancel.
ಓಕೆನಾ so second option you see in your material what solution they given same
Correct, sir. Second option.
ಅದು okay explanation what he given yeah whatever it may be leave it next month
Sir, they have taken some formula, sir. mv into 4 a naught is equal to h by pi.
ಅದನ್ನು ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ in detail I wrote ಓಕೆನಾ
Okay, sir.
next question number 54 with increasing principal quantum number the energy difference between adjacent levels in hydrogen atom increasing principal quantum number the energy difference between adjacent hydrogen level atom decreases as the n value increases what happen the attractions between nucleus and outermost electrons decreases so that's why greater the n value energy is decreases okay na so that's why energy is decreases next in the Bohr's orbit what is the ratio of kinetic energy and total energy I given in notes you please check once that point after energy relation for different formulas I given in notes you please check once total energy to kinetic energy -1:1 I told kinetic energy and total energy relation is -1:1 I told please check once
Yes, sir.
ಇದೆಯಾ
Yes, sir.
can you show once Where it is?
Sir, you have given the ratio of potential energy, kinetic energy, and total energy is equal to -2:1:-1.
ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದೆರಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿನಯ? That class, huh? Where it is that, students?
Sir, it
So
is
you have
after
given that point before the ionization potential.
After ionization potential, huh?
Sir, before ionization
ionization
potential.
potential.
Okay, there only in formulas, in between formulas only, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, clear? So minus one you will get answer. Kinetic energy and total energy. What I told you is a total that point, the ratio between kinetic energy,
Potential energy, kinetic energy, and total energy is -2:1:-1 for hydrogen atom.
ಇವಾಗ kinetic energy -1, total energy 1. Relation if you take what you will get -1 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So that's why. Next. Question number 56. The value of the energy for the first excited state of hydrogen will be. The value of energy for the first excited state of hydrogen will be. First excited state means n1 is equal to 2. We have to take 1. Please write down. E is equal to 13.6 into, what is the formula for energy? E is equal to 13.6 by n square.
Yes, sir. Into EV.
Yes, sir.
E is equal to 13.6 by n value. How much we have taken?
2.
Substitute that. Under 13.6 by 4.
Sir, 3.40, sir.
Minus 3.40 na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 18. Idunu formula ne nodi. If ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6, then ionization energy of He plus is 13.6 into Z square formula. 13.6 into n square by z square alva formula. (13.6 into z square. Idರಲ್ಲಿ n value fixed, so that's why 13.6 into what is the helium atomic number?
2, sir. 2
2
square 4. 54.4, sir. Answer.
Already formula nu ide ನೋಡಿ notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Ionization
Yes, sir.
you read na?
Yes, sir.
Their formula is also there. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು?
54.4 electron.
4.4.
Okay. Next. Question number 80. 80 na? If ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6, the ionization energy ide ಆಯ್ತು. Next, in
58.
hydrogen atom, if the energy of an electron in the ground state is 13.6, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 13.6 normal, then that is in the second excited state. First excited state means n is equal to 2, second excited state means n is equal to 3. Minus, please write down, E is equal to minus 13.6 by m square formula. Capital E. Okay na? Ivaga, what excited state is given? Second excited
state.
Second excited state means n is equal to 2. Sorry, n is equal to 3 m. First excited state means n is equal to 2. Sorry. Now substitute that values.
First option, sir.
Sir, first option.
Next. What is the next question? Question number 59. If the speed of electron in Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom is x, then speed of the electron in third orbit is
x by 3, sir.
formula ಏನಪ್ಪ speed velocity of electron
Vn is equal to V1 by n, sir.
by some value also I given 2.18 into 10 power 8 or 10 power 10 ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
8 centimeter per second.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
10
not
power 6 meter.
2.18 into 10 power 8. Okay na? What he given? Question number 56, sir. 59 alva.
9, sir. Sir, in first orbit speed is x. Third orbit what will be?
Very good, very good. Okay na? N is equal to 3 ma. ಆ 2.18 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. x by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the answer. 3x by 3. Next, question number 60. So see how you are striking. Striking means if you write a formulas well, you can write easily. So that is the importance of formulas. Moreover, many formulas you will get in this unit only. In next units you won't get these many formulas. Okay na? Very few formulas only we have. In this unit you will get a much number of formulas. Remaining you have less formulas only. That many not there in chemistry, like physics. Try to work out once. Next question enama 60 yeah?
Yes, sir.
Velocity of electron in the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is 2.2 into he given statement 2.2 into 10 power 8 centimeter per second. The velocity of the one electron.
Lone
One electron in the third Bohr orbit of Li2 plus is third Bohr orbit of Li2 plus. For hydrogen-like species, what is the formula I told? Velocity V is equal to
V1 by
2.18. 2.18 he taken as 2.2 ma.
Yes.
2.2 into 10 power 8 divided by
N into Z.
N is equal to third. N is equal to 3. Z or Z square ma? Z.
Z, sir.
Into Z mad.
Sir, we'll get the same, sir.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
2.2 into 10 power 8, sir.
ಅದೇನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Sir, 3 will get cancelled, sir.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Fourth option, 60.
ಓಕೆನಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 61 ಆಂಗುಲರ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು mvr is equal to
nx by 2.
He is telling which orbit ma?
Fifth orbit.
Fifth orbit.
Basic formulas company. 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇನೋ 5h by 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 ಅಲ್ವಾ
2.5 h by pi, sir.
2.5 h by pi. First option
Yes, sir.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the radius of which of the following orbit is same as that of Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen. Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen ಎಷ್ಟು formula r is equal to 0.53 answer one. Next, he given which type of species formula? Hydrogen-like species.
Hydrogen-like species.
He plus Li2 plus Li2 plus Be3 plus all are hydrogen-like species. For hydrogen-like species, what is the formula? R is equal to 0.53 into n square by Z n square by Z formula. This is the value we got. R is equal to 0.53 we got. So take first one. What is the first option? He plus 0.53 into 4 by 2. So 1 jet 2 jet. And then we are not getting this value. So it is not correct option. We want this value. Next, what is the second option? Li2 plus 0.53 into Li value 3 into 4. So here also no chance to get same value. So it is also not correct answer. Next,
B3 plus.
3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 0.53 into 9 by 3. 3 1 just 3 3 ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Next, beryllium 0.53 into what is the n value?
2.
Beryllium atomic number 4 or
4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fourth option correct.
You see, like this we have to do. Students may feel it is difficulty question. Difficulty only. Why? Because all options we have to cross check. Generally, by seeing question based on the data, we have to do the answer actually. But here, we have to do based on options. We have to identify the answer. So, back answer questions. These all are called. So by checking each and everything only, we will get the formula. Next. The incorrect angular momentum of an electron is. What is the incorrect angular momentum?
Sir, I think it's fourth option.
Why?
Sir, as in all three options we can divide and we can get 2 pi, sir. But in last option we won't get 2 pi.
Very good, very good. So 2 pi we will get na MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi we will get. Yes.
Yes,
Good.
sir. It is not integral multiple.
Integral multiple. 86 fourth option. Okay na? So tomorrow we will discuss level 1 and level 2 questions maximum. So please prepare and come formulas. Tomorrow also class is there. The de Broglie's theory problems you please do if any possibility is there. Problems. Okay na? Level 1 problems. Only 4 or 5 level. Maximum 10 questions are there. Easy questions only. 71 to 81 10 questions. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.